Are you stuck choosing between OpenClaw and anti-gravity? Let's break it down. In this video, we'll compare these two tools to help you decide which one is right for you. Both OpenClaw and anti-gravity are designed to enhance your workflow, but they do it in different ways. OpenClaw is a powerful tool for developers. It offers a range of features that help with coding and debugging. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate. You can quickly find and fix issues in your code with just a few clicks. On the other hand, anti-gravity is aimed at project management. It helps teams collaborate and stay organized. With anti-gravity, you can assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all in one place. It's great for keeping everyone on the same page. Now, let's look at the key differences. OpenClaw focuses on coding efficiency, while anti-gravity is all about team collaboration. If you need to write and debug code, OpenClaw is your best bet. If you are managing a team or a project, anti-gravity is the way to go. When it comes to features, OpenClaw has advanced coding tools and integrations with popular programming languages. Anti-gravity, however, shines with its task management and communication features. Both tools have their strength depending on your needs. As for pricing, OpenClaw usually offers a subscription model, while Anti-Gravity may have different tiers based on team size. It's best to check their websites for the latest info. So, who should choose what? If you're a developer looking to improve your coding process, go for OpenClaw. But if you're part of a team that needs to manage projects effectively, Anti-Gravity is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.